Welcome to the countryside where it's peaceful and calm and you can really just hear the birds sing. Hi guys, we're with Federico. Today we're going to show you ski lodge essentially. We're very close to Terrace where they go skiing. We're like 15 minutes from it. It's beautiful here. We're in the quiet, silent, beautiful countryside. What is the name of this town?
Village of Vendazzo.
Vendazzo. And what are we looking at today? How many bedrooms? How much does it cost?
3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, living room, terrace, garden.
How much?
How much?
How much?
How much? 280,000.
Okay, and does it come with the furniture? Is the furniture included?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, furniture included. So come with us and we're going to take a look at this cozy lodge. Thank God, Jesus Christ, I didn't think I was going to get that out. Full disclosure, I know the owner, Antonio, nice guy.
Yes.
He lives in America part of the time.
Live in California.
In California. Obviously has an American, sensibility, so I think you're going to like the inside of it, and he's a good guy. Cool.
Moment.
Okay, now I have to find the key.
Okay.
So where's the key?
Yes.
That's going to be a whole series. Federico's lost the key. Federico's found the key. Let's see if they work. Let's see. He's very cocky. Like, we've done this before. Seems to work. Excellent.
Okay.
That's cute. It's very cozy.
For pellet?
Yes, the stufa.
Stufa?
Stufa. When I say it, I spit.
Stufa.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
I remember. Okay. Good.
Aperto. Let's go. Let's move it. No, it's very cozy. Love the ceiling. It's like clean, modern, great vacation house. Easy peasy. That's the thing. It's a molto facile questo.
Molto facile,
Yeah.
sì.
It's super easy. This is what you want when you just roll up, you're exhausted, you pull your car up and you crawl into bed. This is what you want. Super, super easy, simple. Simple, simple, easy, easy. Very nice. Nice floors throughout. Yeah, this is cool. This is a wood tile, yeah. They do it very well here, don't they? Easy to clean, a lot of heating here too. So, because it does get colder in the winter, but it is a fun ski house. We haven't really shown a ski house. This is cute, little storage.
Wow.
Yeah, I really like this. I think it's cool. Oh yeah, this guy gets it. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Now that's a bathroom. That's a bathroom. Yeah.
Bagno.
Yeah, this is cool. This is really great. Yeah. There's how many bathrooms here? 1 or 2?
2.
2, okay. 2. Yeah, this is great. Love it.
1 for floor.
Yeah, this guy's cool.
On.
Yeah, let's go. Let's see outside last.
Okay.
Stay on task. It's like having someone with ADHD around me all the time. Don't write below ADHD
TV.
ADHD TV, yeah. Okay, mop room, love it. Why not? Nice stairs going up. I'd probably put a rail here though. I just think a railing is a nice touch. Yeah, this is really nice.
Nice.
Beautiful bathroom. These bathrooms are great. This is great. It's a beautiful house. Gorgeous. Love it.
Wow.
How many bedrooms is it? A lot of bedrooms.
Sì.
1,
3.
2, 3.
It's possibile.
We could do a 4th
Sì.
downstairs, I think,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah, because that one room could be a bedroom with a bath. That's a bedroom.
3 bedroom,
That's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
2 bathroom. Sì.
Downstairs, that room is a...
It's
that room's-
possibile.
No, it is a bedroom. What is it otherwise? It's a library, an office. It's a bedroom. It's a big bathroom.
Yes.
He doesn't know this house. He's never been here before.
Good.
Absolutely perfect house. They have 3 beds in here, which is so cute. It's so ski lodgy, Isn't that cute? I mean, you bring the little kids, they all sleep in here. They go skiing. They're in their little ski bunny outfits. I love this as a ski lodgy situation. I do. And I love that he has the same floor throughout. I mean, hello, how hard is that?
Big bedroom.
Oh, and
with
this is a beautiful bedroom. Wow, this is gorgeous. And it has a little balcony. Yeah, nice. This is beautiful.
Very, very nice.
I like Mr. Obvious Street, railing, terrace, view. I dig it. I think it's cool. Really nice doors, really nice finishes, very nice quality. I mean, I think this is a winner. This is great. Love this house. And he has air conditioning. You know why? Because he lives in the US and he understands Italians don't like air conditioning because if it hits you in the neck, you're dead. You die. In the neck, you're dead.
Finish.
In the gola, oh, that's the worst. Oh, the air conditioning in the gola? Yeah, see, he's serious. And what is this now? Zen garden? Oh, wow, this is cool. I don't know about this pool, but I'm sure this works fine. It's not my jam, I will say. I don't like a above ground pool, but I get it. Is this real grass? No. This is AstroTurf. I'm gonna say this word, interesting. But this is a very nice outdoor area. The only thing it's really missing is a grill or something. Oh, and they have an exterior entrance if you want to come and use the blow-up pool. Explain this pool to me. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. I mean, I guess it's just like a regular pool, right? Thoughts, comments? What do you think, Federico, about this pool?
If you've ever wanted to live at the Hilton Garden Inn.
I mean, it's fine. I don't think it's gorgeous. Can't just put a pool in. Why do you have to put this in?
Idromassaggio. Good.
Oh, you think it's a hydro massage? Okay. All right, well, then I get it. Hydro massage pool. Not really. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He's never been here before.
Questo giardino di proprietà.
Oh, that's it? I thought you were taking us to a garden. This is the Cinque Terre, right? Vero? People are like, I want to go to the Cinque Terre. I'm like, this is what it's like. It's a million people around you. Okay, thank you, Federico, for bringing us here. Thank you, Antonio, for pinging me this morning to come look at this. I love your house. I think it's great. If you're interested in purchasing this property, you know that Federico's information is below. If you've gotten this far, please remember to like and subscribe. And we will see you at the next location with Premier Realtor to the Stars, Federico. Ciao.